Right, here we have it following from yesterday's storms. Came into here looking at them, and it wasn't good yesterday. It's really not good today. We've lost pretty much the whole of the copse. They might leave the silver birch in, but yeah, you can see the devastation on the tree limbs. Let's see if we can get in. Just there. Horrendous. As I said yesterday, these trees have been here for 30 years. We heard one crack when we were coming on 7 yesterday. I actually saw it coming down. I'll not walk into the area because it's not safe, obviously. Whoops. But this one here, where are we? There, was the one that I saw break and fall yesterday. These are 30-40 foot trees. Pretty bad.